It started after our marriage. And then we needed extra cash for the family, to sustain the family. I had a stable job, and then my husband also had a job, but he felt it wasn't sufficient.
I started it from the boot of my car, actually.
So he decided to take a different route from what he was doing. He started buying products from Gauteng to Limpopo.
I used to drive a Sentra. I'll take out the back seat of my car, drive down to Pretoria, and load the whole stuff at where it's supposed to be the back seat and in my boot, and sometimes pull a little trailer. And that's how we started it. And as time goes on, we decided then we can actually manufacture this thing. Then that's when now we started searching for the recipes and so on. Up till then, we get it right.
Then that is when the name Phatsima came, when you had this part. Because initially, the name of the company was Far North. He was selling under the name Far North Chemicals. But when we started with porridge, because it gives shine to the floor, he said, but now we need to change, to give this porridge a name. And then he said, how about Phatsima? And then I said, yes, Phatsima will do.
You know, if I were to talk about then and today we are actually looking at research and development. We're looking at, you know, all specialized people who are in that field, who knows, you know, about chemical engineering and so on. People who have studied extensively. Passion is important because you are now involved in what you love.
And you must be patient. You know, sometimes you want to get there very fast, but you need to build blocks. You know, something that is not built on a solid foundation will soon fall. So our business, I would say, it was built on a solid foundation because we learned each and every step. Patience is what brought us here.
I've witnessed the growth. I've seen how the company has grown from strength to strength over the years. So I feel honored, I feel privileged, and I feel very excited, especially because I've been part of the journey.
It has always been a learning curve and encouragement to see what our parents have started. So it has always been, they've always encouraged us to be professional in how we do business.
Being a family-owned business, this is a legacy business. And it's not just a legacy for the founding family, but a legacy for each and every employee that has been part of this journey thus far.
At Phatsima, we are working as family. We love each other, we share everything with each other. I'm Christina Mutiba. I'm a warehouse supervisor. I started at PCS. Now I'm having 17 years working with PCS.
Tumilo Berga 2005. Berga as a flow assistant. Then 2006, Berga as a mixer. And 2012, Berga as a quality control technician. I feel happy because kinale order automatic flow assistant of Lalagi Kitamo Gelonga 18 years. Order ki happy because Liba Bango Bahonoja Matalagan.
Oh, my boss, le bosso, Nankar Wanakari, Realevora, Bahono Refa, Munyet, Lawa Retlega PCS, Ricky Tute, Re Church Company Pele, Le Rena, Malapenya Rena, Hono Valeboroto Tafle, e ka re modimo a ka ba tlhogonolofatša ba tswela ntle ba yo re tšeela information e ntšintši ya go tlo kgona go godiša company.
Where we are currently, we are at our main plant. We moved here in 2018 from the 45 Emerald site. This plant is our main plant. We do manufacturing of our liquid side and the solid line at this plant. My key role is to ensure that the company's objectives are met. So each and every financial year, what we do, we sit in meetings, and then the CEOs or the founders of the business, they tell us where do they want the company for their financial year. And my key role is to ensure that we've got processes, ideas, targets in place that we're supposed to meet to ensure that we meet all the targets that have been put in place or what is required of us to ensure that the business is running accordingly. I think what makes us to be a well-oiled machine, it's because of our processes that we've put in place as a business. We've put processes in such a place that we managed to get ISO 9001 certified as a business.
My role in the company, I'm the business development manager. I normally work closely with the sales department, where I assist them with getting access to new markets, also monitoring and learning about the competition we have in the market. Also, I play an advisory role with the management team to come with new ways and new strategies of how the company is going to move forward in terms of accessing the market and competing effectively. We took a very strategic decision as a company to move towards a more formal market. We talk about retailing, which is the future of our business, as we mostly manufacture domestic cleaning products. We're also looking in the long term to do export in our neighboring countries.
Polokwane Chemical Suppliers has been predominantly operating in 4 provinces, namely Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northwest, and parts of Gauteng. But looking into the future, we want to see Polokwane Chemical Suppliers and brand Phatsima venturing into all the 9 provinces of South Africa and crossing international borders.